everyone, it is Karen Gerber here. I wanted to walk through my upcoming class, my A5 planner class with Stamplicity. This is designed on the new Holiday Wishes collection from 49 Market. Included in your kit will be all pre-cut pages. We are creating 12 pages. So double side 12 is 24. 23 because you get to continue on to the back. You will receive the Holiday Wishes ephemera, which has all these lovely little bits in them, most of which I have used. There's a few pieces left over. Actually, there's quite a few pieces left over. And you will also receive the lantern page, which is Planner Essentials 52. You will need to cut this out. You will receive the paper to cut it out in the kit. And I have mine stored in the new A5 planner from Elizabeth Crafts, the black one. Kind of has this alligator texture on it. So we'll open it up. Also included in your kit, you will receive 2 pocket pages. The first one I have created as a cover page, which you can slide out and decorate however you wish. But this will be pre-cut, and you can assemble the pages any way you want in your planner. Completely up to you. But this is how I've designed the class, and I hope you enjoy it. So you flip the page, and you've got another photo mat here, a little belly band here, and then the Peace and Joy in the bottom. The first half page is a tab page with 3 photo mats and some ephemera. We flip that, there's 2 more photo mats with a tuck tag, and you can put so much in here. I have created a fold out here on the lantern page because I didn't want to cover that up. That is such a gorgeous image that 49 Market and Katie Pertet did. So I just love that. And then I added some splatter. And this is where you need your border punch. Okay, so we're going to flip that, and we have the holly page, and I have created a slide-in photo mat, which I've stamped. So this will just tuck in underneath that gorgeous holly there. I've used a few dies from the past of Elizabeth Crafts. One of them is this Christmas tree page, and I've used some ephemera on this tag, which you can pull in and out, and you can design this any way you wish. I've got a tag in there, and then that truck. There is some vellum there in the window, which I think is so adorable, and those pre-cut trees, the die-cut trees, will be in the kit as well. We flip open this tree page, and we've got a double fold-out, double tree fold-out. So there is some photo mats tucked in behind this, some of this ephemera. A few more photo mats here with that gorgeous cardinal ephemera. And then I've got this tree attached to A4 Planner Sidekick 4, I should say. And I created some photo mats. This will be pre-stamped for you. We turn that, and we've got some more ephemera, a couple ephemera from the ephemera pack, photo mat, and then another photo page in here, which these are all from the ephemera other than this one. You're just going to cut them down and decorate them any way you wish, and then you can put a photo in there. I've added this page and this reindeer. I just think he's so adorable. We're going to flip this open, and I've got another photo mat here, which you can slide in. There is a paper clip and then a photo mat on the back. And then we go to the lantern page, which you will be pre-cutting. A couple photo mats there. These are just going to tuck in behind that lantern. We're going to flip this page, a larger photo mat. Another tab page from one of the new Planner Essential dies, 2 photo mats on the front and 2 photo mats on the back. We come to the candle page, and I've tucked in 2 more photo mats there. Flip this page, 2 more photo mats. We've got that beautiful tree page with, I've added 2 more photo mats here, and I've left the little deer on the bottom so that when you pull it out, it's just mom and dad, and then it just kind of becomes part of the family when you slide them back in. I thought that was kind of cute. We're going to flip it. We've got two photo mats, a larger photo mat and the small one that you can slide lots in. And then the very last page is that truck, which I've stamped for you. And then you can continue on from here. So that is the class. It is loaded, like I said. Everything will be pre-cut for you. There's that tree border. The only thing you will need to cut, excuse me, is the lantern page. But I have pre-cut the Planner Essentials 4. That will be done. It's just the lantern page and the lantern details itself. So if you're interested in joining me, you will need to contact Stamplicity. I will put the link to the website in the bottom, and you can sign up online. They will ship to you. The class will be in the group for 6 months, so if you cannot join me that day, you can always go back and rewatch the live. All the details will be in the group. If you have any questions, don't be afraid to reach out to myself or to Brenda at Stamplicity. We are here to help you with your holiday crafting needs. I hope you enjoyed that walkthrough. Have a great day and happy scrapping.